the Peri pocket shawl. This is a crochet pattern done in these little mini motifs that you join as you go. This is a seamless construction. You work a strip of motifs in one direction, then come back and work them in another, then another, then another, then another, and that's what gives you this beautiful striping effect in Be So Vivid yarn. What's so interesting, one of the interesting benefits of a long self-striping yarn is when you do modular construction and you change direction. It gives you a completely different look than, say, going in different, like look at how, like for example, we have radial gradients in the motifs because we're working in the round. We have half circle stripes because we did a bottom-up construction here, and we have vertical stripes because we knit back and forth in rows from side to side here, and now we have a different type of striping because we're making motifs and joining them as you go in strips. So very interesting. Then after you finish the shawl on this one, you make the pockets and sew them down. Your pocket placement will be based on your height, right? So wherever you think you want to have your pockets, that's where you would put them. If you think you want your pockets, like my pockets are placed where my pockets would be on my jeans, which would be right here. If you like pockets lower, then you would put pockets lower. You'll want to try on your scarf and figure out where would a pocket be convenient for you. I wanted them on the higher side where I would place my hands for jean pockets because I wanted to be able to bend my elbows like I'm pretending that I have my jeans on right now. This is where I would put my hand and I'd be able to bend my elbow and lean it against my side. That's how I wanted to do these pockets. If you are somebody that likes them lower, likes your hands down lower, you would put your pockets there, but how awesome. Isn't that one of the best benefits of making your own clothing, is that you can decide what works best for you? You wouldn't get to choose where the pockets go if you were buying this in a store, but you do get to choose where the pockets go if you're making it for yourself. Let's say you're making it for a gift and you are taller like me and you're making it for someone who's more petite. You would want to adjust where the pockets go then. You would want to have a higher pocket instead of a lower pocket. Let's say that you're petite and you're making it for someone that you think is significantly taller or larger than you, then you would want to consider that when placing the pockets as well. You may even want to not put the pockets on until you have the person you're making it for try it on. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please leave them for me in the comments. Everything we talked about today, you can find as links in the video description below. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.